I'm not that stupid. Quit saying that! I just can't help it. It's all these fucking headaches. It's the voices. Your voices. If you just shut up, maybe I could concentrate. Or maybe I could sleep. I can't get at you with my fingers. I tried. Oh, God knows I tried. I need something stronger, like a fork or a spoon.
I just have so many ideas in my head. I want to get them out. Gotta get them out. I got this great idea for a book. And a board game. Oh, and a board book. And a book game. You're the only one who really gets me. I can't live without you, but would you just shut up?
Hey, bada, try to knock the pen out of this one.
I got it, baby! I got it!
Bada.
Catch my pop fly!
Hey, sleepy sleep. I ain't your moo-moo. Get the fuck up.
What? We got action? Say we do.
You suck, man. You really do.
Dang, how long's been we doing this? And why? Can't remember.
Don't matter, bub. We's life as we. Walking dead. Always walking.
Always killing.
That's the shit, bub.
Yeah, that's right. All that matters.
Heck,
What's up?
I lost the doodad.
Give me that.
This is gonna be my masterpiece.
I don't know. You ain't no aerosol. Now that was a master.
Aerosol? Shit. I wipe my ass on aerosol's pieces, man.
Yeah? Like to see you try. Don't mess with aerosol.
Wake up. I'm the business now.
The fuck you are?
Fuck I am. I mean, just look at it.
Well, yeah, okay, it's all right. You got talent. But your skills...
What do you mean? I got better skills than anyone around here.
Just saying. You ain't no aerosol.
Well, yeah. But he's dead. How can I be aerosol when he's dead?
That's what I'm saying.
Is it? Okay, I guess. Let me just finish this piece here. Let's shoot our brains out. Let's shoot our brains out. Let's go get lost in the whirly twirly. Twinkle, twinkle, bang, bang, yeah. Oh, yeah, my brain. I shoot my brains out. It's out, outside the skull man of the bang, 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 bang.
Yeah. Gotta piss. Squeeze in that juice. Spat, spat. Oh, that's pissing. Real pissing there. Oh, I needed that. Hey, what if you could keep all that piss inside? You'd never need to drink water. Just all the time. Full of piss. Oh, here it is. The hose of hoses. The slimy slug. The sneaky snake. Piss, my boy. Piss away.
Let me unleash the dragon here, buddy. Gotta piss, too.
The fuck is that thing? A maggot? A grain of rice? How can you even aim with that thing?
Oh, I can aim, buddy. Watch this.
The fuck you doing? Here, this is how you hose, you rice dick.
Screw you.
And I can relax and piss until I'm done pissing.
Okay. Let me just get the bottle squared.
Got it!
You got it! Hell, clean off my scalp. Look, you can't even see there used to be a bottle here. On the head.
Okay. What if I up the ante now? You know, like take a few extra steps back?
Yeah. Good idea. Makes it more exciting. Okay, let me get the thing balanced. And shoot.
You know, I'm gonna go for a bit of a crotch fire thing here. Just, pow, between the legs, like...
You got it! I can't believe you got it. I thought it was gonna get ventilated for sure, but you really got it. Crotch shooting. That a thing now?
Oh, let me get even further back. Yeah, I can do it. I can blow another bottle off your box.
Do it. I'll fix up another bottle. You could do it. You could hit anything.
I know I can. Yeah. So, let's make it interesting, huh? You know, I cover my eyes with one hand, and I hold the rifle with the other. Yeah, it should be a breeze, a sweet summer's breeze. I did it! I hit him! He's out! Oh, how I've dreamed for this vengeance! Months I've waited for you to drop your guard. Shouldn't have pissed on my boots, asshole. Yeah, asshole.
1, 2, 2, 3, 6. Oh, God. Right in the gut. My guts got got. I think I'm gonna go get... gone.
Yes! Get that fucker! Get that fucker good! Take his eye out! Good hook that asshole! Fuck, I love it! I fucking love
You
it!
gotta go for the jug, man! The jugular! Rip out the whole damn thing, man! The whole damn talk box! Just punch it in and rip it out!
Yeah! No!
Yeah! Boy, go for the neck! Get in the headlock and snap that damn thing off! Oh, just kill! You wanna go for the kill! Woo!
Aggravation, la 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 la, ha!
Lay still! This is nothing! Nothing! Just a bit of little picture!
And it really hurts! Oh, it hurts bad! Oh, it burns!
Well, you know what they say. No pain, no picture on body. That's the saying.
Ah! Okay, well, if that's what they say, good!
Throwing! Smashing! Bashing! Whooshing! Dying! Exploding! What about the killing? Ain't that like it? Nah, bud. It's 2 hands on and off. You keep putting the effort in and out, and screw that. Throwing, whooshing, smashing? Oh man, there's nothing like it. We can find more gums to chuck. Sounds like a fucking blast! Let's find mooks to mash! I'm coming at you!
Not if I come at you first.
Ow!
This goes up!
Yeah, now this thing. Goon, baby!
Looky now!
Fling that damn thing, too!
Take it out of the sky, Goon!
Let's just flip this shit!
You're on fire! Got another!
Hey! Make an effort, you mook!
Jeez, calm down. I just did... Just calm down!
Pins out, you scum guzzler! Pins out!
Bumps away!
Yeah!
Yeah, ooh!
That's what I'm saying!
Let's do one more!
Yeah, let's do one more, baby!
Ugh. Yes! I love it! I want to throw these grenades forever! Scabby baby, you wanna...
Throw one more! Hell yeah!
Uh-huh!
Fuck yeah!
I got you, buddy. I got you good. Just a little more. You strong. Like a goddamn gigator, buddy. You strong.
Yeah. Yeah. Come on. Yeah.
Who's that? Who's that?
This is madness!
No! This is fucking fun!
Ready to payload.
Flap, flap! See if you's good at flying as you are at screaming! Flap, flap! Flap, flap! Oh, shit, just good at screaming. Real good at screaming.
What's got 2 legs, screams a lot, and shits itself?
I don't know.
Our first contestant. Run for it, screamy shit pants. Kaplow! Did I say 2 legs? You're up, number 2.
You sick bastards!
Moxie. I love it! Boom! Number 3! Not a big talker. Not now. Number 4!
And now, number 5. Oh, shit. We're out again.
I'm sure we had more. Fuck!
Don't worry, Bubbo. There's more where that came from.
Wow, I really am a star. A star in a big bed. Oh, look at my arms. They're made out of steel. Feel them? Real steel. It's mine. Murder. My burger. It's a burger. I can't kill her. No man can. Ding, ding, ding. It's a full tilt. Oh, feel that trash can, baby. You got a whole lot of shit going on. the trigger too tight on this. Saying the last time. No ammo is too much.
Now you die, you mask punk! Goonie, baby! Yeah, it's a goon world! Goon, baby, goon!